My name is Tiffy and I'm an independent color street stylist. I run the Facebook group PoshInPolish VIP and I am working on doing my nails here and I'm happy that you've joined me. This is part 2. This color is called Glad You Camo. And in part 1 we were just ending with talking about Halloween. Well, it is one of my favorite holidays. Favorite times of year, autumn is anyway. I love summer, but man, do I love autumn. If it's one of your favorite holidays, I would love to know why it is your favorite. Also, for me, it is literally everything. Bonfires, crisp air, the falling leaves, the colors, the beauty of just everything starting to go into hibernation. I call it the spooky time of year. That's what I call it, the spooky time of year. And I think a lot of you guys can identify with me that you really, really enjoy it. Do you have like certain traditions that you do during that time of year? Oh yeah, and those of you, I mean, pumpkin patches, I don't know if any of you guys go pick your own pumpkins every single year, or do a pumpkin carving, or do you paint pumpkins? Some people paint pumpkins instead of carve them. Let's see what else. I think I already said bonfires and stuff, but it is just, I just love it. It is upon us. Look at how pretty this is. I cannot get over how pretty this is. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here. Look at this. So if you don't like ripping it like the way I did, some people will use a nail file and kind of get the edges off. It comes obviously, not a nail file like this. It comes with a little emery board if you need to file off any extra. I just fold it over and just leave it until it cures, and then this part like falls off. You can cut it with a little small pair of scissors. But that's what I do. Man, this is turning out to be so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to see what the pedicure looks like with it that I picked out. If you missed the first part of this, I showed a pedicure that I was going to pair with it, and it's called See It to Belize It. I thought would be really pretty with it. Wow. I just love this. Oh my goodness. So I did want to also tell you guys that with the, because if I said that the new fall lineup is coming out, it'll be out on the 23rd of August. Keep in mind that there is also retiring shades that are going to be retiring, and they will not be coming back unless it's some kind of a special occasion for like a 24-hour period or something. So if you do have your favorites, you can go into my link to where, the shopping link actually is, and you can see all of the shades that will be retiring. You click on retiring shades and it will show you a list of all, every single shade. So in case one of your favorites is retiring, you might want to nab it before it's gone. Yeah, that looks so pretty. Also, if you are a fan, because we're talking about fall, college teams, college sports, the collegiate collection just came out. College Street Collegiate Collection just came out. So check and see maybe if your colors from your favorite college maybe are in that collection. You can also do that at the link, or you can go to my Facebook page, Posh and Polish, or you could go and join the VIP group. I believe I put a post up there just so all my VIPs can see, because I do like to make sure that you guys, if you are a VIP, that you get, you know, the games, the fun, you do see the collections, you do get all the little extra things that I don't do anywhere else, because, you know, you guys are special. It is a closed group, so if you're not in there, just request and you'll get approved. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. All right, guys, I'm going to add this. I'm going to add this off camera so it's not boring, because this is just clear, okay? And let it cure, yeah. And then add my top coat later. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Enjoy your week and your pretty nails. Bye-bye.